Morning light, you greet the day. Soft fur shines, whiskers sway. Green eyes sparkle, full of glee. Lovely cat, you're all I see. Paws tiptoe through the house. Silent grace, no need to rouse. Curl up cozy on my lap, purring soft in your nap. Lovely cat, you're my friend. With you joy won't end. Every whisker, every purr. In this world there's none like her. Chasing shadows, playful, free, bringing endless joy to me. Windowsill, sunbeams glow, watching birds, tail flicks look slow. Evenings with you, soft and sweet, cuddled close, can't be beat. Gentle nuzzle, softest fur, heartfelt moments all a blur. Lovely cat, you're my friend. With you joy won't end. Every whisker, every purr. In this world there's none like her. Here, life's a song. In your love, I feel strong. Little moments shared with you. Every day feels bright and new. Through the seasons we will stay. In your eyes I find my way. Magic, mystery, all in one. Lovely cat, my setting sun. Every glance a tender touch. In this world you mean so much. By my side, come what may. Lovely cat, here to stay. Lovely cat, you're my friend. With you joy won't end. Every whisper, every purr. In this world there's none like her. Lovely cat, night or day. In my heart you'll stay. Precious friend, soft and true. Lovely cat, I love you.